I'm going to do a little cheating by looking at some research I'm in the process of doing at Copley Square that involves 3D laser scanning. Right, so here's a bundle cloud of some scans I took over the last couple weeks of the space in front of the plaza. And the neat thing about point cloud scanning is you can interrogate this result with a tape measure and ask the model what the difference in the distance is from that point to that point. And it gives you the z difference of 4 5/8 of an inch, 4 feet 5 1/8, so 4.5 feet from that level to the sidewalk looks fairly consistent, right? I can furthermore ask it what the distance is each step, right? So you see the z delta is 6 7/8 of an inch. So maybe we need to change the riser height. Looks like it's pretty consistently, maybe 7 inches would be best. Anyway, and we're missing, looks like 3 steps in the middle there. So let's look at our SketchUp model from the same point of view, and what have we done wrong? Yeah, what we've done wrong. So we're missing I've only modeled the top 3 steps, so there's intermediate steps out here that aren't explained in the floor plan drawing. We will make that up somehow. We're going to add slices in between to sort of to negotiate that difference. But what we've learned from looking at this, by the way, you can also do things like create what's called a limit box. Set a size for it. Let's say I want an 8-foot cube and place it somewhere so that I want to look at what is happening there. I can also move the and yeah, create a representative sample, right? Right up to the library, right up to the bench. So I can find out the height and width of all that. And I could turn off the visibility. Let's save this as section through steps, and hide the visibility of the box itself. So now we can ask this thing a bunch of questions, like there's a few steps we're missing there. There's a step of, there's a 6-inch riser, another looks like an 8-inch riser, oops, 7, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 risers. We'll make that up. But the next lesson we should get on to the other floors. I will, however, save this illustration so that you can use it, examine it later. This will be lesson 3.